Keep your guitar in standard tuning. Do not grab a capo. Let's look at the easiest way to play Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls. Now, you might have looked a song up in the past and gave up on it because the original recording, I know, changes all the strings tuning to like a D, and then there's like a random B in there. I know that. So don't come at me in those comments about the right way to play it for the recording. I get that. I want to show you guys how to play this straightforward and easy so you can be able to sing and enjoy this amazing song by the Goo Goo Dolls. All right, we have 3 parts to this song: verses, choruses, and the bridge. So let's start with the verse. I'm going to play through it first for you so you can hear the progression, and I'm going to show you what these chords are and that strumming pattern. Here's your verse chord progression. Let me show you those chords and that strumming pattern there. So the first chord is going to be what we'll call a D5. And one of the most challenging parts about playing this easy version really is muting some of the strings that you don't want to hear in these. So you'll notice on these chord diagrams there's some X'd out strings you don't want to touch. So it's kind of key to make sure that you're either muting it with your other fingers here or only strumming the strings that shows in the chord diagram. So the D5's first. Then we're going to go to this D5/E. If you want to know what slash chords are, watch my other video. It's in the description below about what a slash chord is. But this is what it looks like for your fingers. D5 over E. And then we're going to a G5. That's our first 3. Okay. Then we're going to be going to a B minor 7. And then we're going to do an A suspended 4. I know these sound all super difficult, but their fingers are not very difficult on these. And then the G5 again. Okay, if you notice the entire time my ring finger stays on the 3rd fret of that B string. Keep that anchored for all your chords. The first one, second, didn't even move that ring finger. Same for this. Okay, but really pay attention to what notes are being strummed in those chords. Because in the bass, what you really want to hear in this entire song is this. That's what's making the structure of this whole song. So that's why we're able to do this kind of easier version of it. Hey, quick question for you, and you could throw your answers in the comments below. What do you look for in an online guitar course? I want to update my website to things you're looking for. So do you like more of a step-by-step guided instructional path? Or do you like to jump around from topic to topic and choose what you're looking for? Also, do you like more of a membership monthly fee, or would you prefer to pay a one-time package deal? Let me know. I appreciate all your support. So that is our chords for the verse over and over on that. Now, the strumming pattern, this is really important for the song. This song is in the 6/8 feeling of it, so there's a kind of waltzy strumming pattern to it. Here is the strum that you're going to want to do for this song. It's 1, 2, and 3, and down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so for the D, for the first chord, we're going to go. Second chord, same thing. And for that G5, we're going to do that same pattern, but do it twice. Okay, so you got. The same idea for the next group of chords. For that B minor 7, we're going to be doing the down, down, up, A suspended 4, and double up that G. Here we go. And that's your verses. Let's look at the chorus. Hey, if you're finding this simple approach to the song helpful to you, please go ahead and click that like button down there. It totally helps out the channel as well. And subscribe if you haven't so you can get notified when I put out new videos. Okay, for the chorus, it's really easy because it's some of the chords you've already used in the verses, so nothing new to learn. But let me play through what the chorus does. It's the same 3 chords repeated over and over 4 times. Here's the chorus, and I'll break it down for you. You know how that chorus goes. chords over and over, same strumming pattern. We have the B minor 7 with that down, down, up, the A suspended 4, and that G5 with twice the strumming pattern on that. And just repeat that 4 times, and that is your amazing chorus of this song. Okay, let's look at the bridge. Okay, for the bridge of the song or that instrumental interlude, if you choose to use this, I mean, if you're just playing it to sing along the verses and chorus, you got what you need. But if you want to add that little instrumental bridge here, this is the way to approach it. I know in the actual song, there's all kinds of symphonic movements happening, but here's some great chords to fill in that interlude section. It looks like this first. Okay, what those are, a couple new chords in there. We're gonna start with that B minor 7, same strumming pattern by the way, that down, down, up, down, up. And this is one of the new ones. Very tricky to kind of get that pinky in the right spot, but I keep down that 2 and 3 of the G and B string, and I get that 4th fret of the A string, my pinky, and it creates that, that chord there. It's like a B minor 7 / C sharp. Another easy way you can do it, a little bit more simple approach if you want, is just putting down that 4th fret of the A, and then the 2nd fret of the G, and keeping only those center strings ringing. So you could do that. And then it goes to the D5. And that D5 is strummed with that pattern twice again, with that down, down, up, twice for that. So your first line of that bridge, okay, second line of the bridge is we'll go back to that B minor 7, and then the A sus4, and this is still that G, but we're adding in this 2nd fret of a high E to make this a G major 7. And that one at the end of the line gets 2 strumming patterns as well. So here's that whole interlude again. B minor 7, that B minor 7 / C, D5 twice, D minor 7, A sus2, G major 7. And you can repeat that twice for that, that interlude section. Also, if you're looking to improve any of your overall guitar playing, head over to theguitarfactoryoc.com. Check out some of the courses I have built. And in fact, there's actually a free quick start course you could take by clicking the link below.